All right, WMC, sorry for the delay here. This is the video to find the winner of the last and final Ric Flair boot. This is number 4. So we'll check the time, March 22nd at 6:48 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We've got March 22nd at 6:48 p.m. There is the list of our 12 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What's going on? Oh, we got an error. Hold on. Here we go. And another. Oh, no, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Freddie. Spot 4 is your winner. So, Freddie, please message me with your shipping info. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, March 22nd, 6:49 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.